This is another acoustic guitar. Very generously purchased from my wish list by Protocol X, who also just gifted another 100 subs today. Crazy. Yes, so, okay, check this out. Drum roll. Now, Gretsch does make electric penguins. There's some stuff down in there. They also make acoustic penguins. It might just be silica packet. Silica gel. The OK card. It got the OK. It passed the playing test. Okay, so packed pretty decently here. However, this looks like it's supposed to have a truss rod adjuster in it, and it's empty. Okay, which way does this come out? Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Look at this. Okay, so when I was playing with the Misses, I had the full version, the full size version of this. It was a jumbo rancher falcon. So this is like its little sister, little brother. So it's got some really, I'm gonna have to do a whole review on it. This is a Parlor, technically called a Parlor guitar, but it's a little bigger than most Parlor guitars. It is almost, I mean, it's not that different in size than this. Which one of the things I love about the PRS is that it is petite. This is, let's see, 12. I think it's a 20 fret. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think. So, is it lighter than the PRS? A little. But it's also got this heavy shellac on it, so that probably weighs it down a bit too. So what is really beautiful about this guitar, and I don't know if you guys can see it, check out the glitter on the headstock and the cool thing, and then like it's all around the edges too. The binding is also glittery on the front and back. And it's got this cute little thing right here that's also glittery. It's got gold hardware, and it has a built-in tuner, which is nice. My old one did too. So it's nice because you can just tune it like right there. It's probably may not be like as accurate. So I have no idea. It's very comfortable though for sitting because it's smaller. So these strings don't feel very good though. They're actually pretty rough. I'll have to get some new strings. I might take it to Brian to get it set up. Yeah, it's a regular 1/4-inch plug-in. How's it sound? Besides that these strings are kind of crappy. That's right, it has the old Rancher sound hole as well. So this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna consider whether I want the this to be my E-flat guitar, maybe, or mind right. That's all I know. I was King Damebreaker. Can you believe I forgot how to play that song? And these strings are too rough right now. So, okay, I'm going to put this back here for now. Actually, I gotta make room for it, you guys. Anthony said I should just rearrange the guitars every day and see if people noticed.